Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a really interesting indicator in the opportunity category, the most viewed CoinGecko rank. This one tracks which crypto pages are getting the most visits worldwide on CoinGecko, and since most investors check CoinGecko before making a trade, this tells you exactly where the market's attention is right now. So what is this? CoinGecko tracks the most viewed cryptocurrency pages on their website and app. It's a ranking of the top projects that people are actively looking at, sorted by the most searched in the last few hours. If a project is high on the list, it means a lot of people are researching it right now. And this matters for two reasons. First, it anticipates short-term price movement. When thousands of people are looking at a project, there is a good chance trades are about to happen. Second, the volume of visits can help you anticipate the magnitude of those movements. More eyes usually means bigger moves. Now here's a key advantage of CryptoScores. CoinGecko's website only shows the top 15 most viewed projects. CryptoScores shows you 30. That's double the visibility, so you're catching projects that are gaining traction even before they show up on CoinGecko's own trending page. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Like usual, click on opportunity and you can see the opportunity score here on 99 over 100, so pretty good one. And when we scroll down, we can see the most viewed CG rank here at 22 in green. That means Ethereum is currently the 22nd most viewed crypto page worldwide on CoinGecko. It's in the top 30, people are actively checking it, researching it, considering trades. For a project like Ethereum that's always, of course, on everyone's radar, it makes sense. But the fact that it's at 22 and not the top 5 tells you that right now, attention is focused elsewhere. Other projects are generating more curiosity at this moment. Now, if we take a look at PancakeSwap, if you check the opportunity tab, there is no most viewed CG rank at all. That means PancakeSwap, for the example, isn't in the top 30 most pages right now. Nobody is saying it's a bad project, of course, but it tells you that the market's attention is elsewhere at the moment. People aren't actively researching it in significant numbers. And that is an information that you can use. A project outside the top 30 is less likely to see sudden short-term movements driven by crowd interest. On the other hand, if it suddenly appears in the ranking, like Algorand that is number 2, that's a signal that something is happening. News, a listing, a narrative shift, and you want to be aware of it early. And as always, you can click directly on the ranking number to go to CoinGecko's trending page. There you will see the full list, what is trending, how prices have changed in the last 24 hours, and which projects are catching the most attention globally. Go check it yourself, see what the crowd is looking at, and form your own opinion. So use this indicator as a pulse check on market attention. A project in the top 30 is on people's minds. Potential moves are coming. A project absent from the list is actually flying under the radar. But be aware that neither is inherently good or bad, but knowing where the crowd is looking gives you an edge in anticipating what could happen next. As always, you are the analyst. The data is here, the link is here, the decision is yours. Most viewed CoinGecko rank, where the market is looking right now. Check it on CryptoScores.com and we will see you there in the next one.